I'm here to tell you that with a little bit of feedback, this robot can generate an omelette optimized just for you. We've mostly seen cooking robots that are programmed to follow a specific recipe, rather than cooking robots that are programmed to cook you exactly what you want. Sometimes these are the same thing, but often cooking is as often as I'm told is much more about adapting a recipe to your individual taste. What's new here is that the robot can optimize its omelette making for different people based on how they react to a few sample omelettes. For personal cooking robots to make us food that we love, they're going to need to be able to listen to our feedback, understand what the feedback means, and then take actions to adapt their recipe or technique to achieve the desired outcome. This is more complicated than, say, adding less salt next time because it was too salty this time. The robots will have to work with less easily definable things like appearance and texture, and the totally submissive nature of human taste. So the next time you want to make an omelette, why not consider a fully autonomous end-to-end omelette cooking robot to the job?